four-legged mother. The true story of Myrtle Corbin. The body was strange, the heart was more than ordinary. Every part of the human body is a miracle of nature. But some bodies are not miracles, they are complete tests. In 1868, in a small town in America, a girl opened her eyes, with whose body nature had given four legs, and to complete wonders the doctor was surprised and the world was stunned, because this girl was not only four-legged, but also had two reproductive systems. When she grew up, many people kept staring at her body. But one man saw with his heart. James Clinton. He married Myrtle. After marriage, she was not just a wife. She became the mother of 5 children. Some children were born from the right womb, some from the left, all of them healthy. The world called her body strange. But Myrtle showed that greatness is not in the body, in the spirit. This is not just a story of one woman, but a question. Do we also reject someone just because of their body?